Well, hi again. Now I intend to actually make some video tutorials and teach a bit of programming. I've got myself a graphic tablet and a pen, so I'm going to be using that as some sort of teaching aid. I've been doing a bit of practice as well. I've put some of my very brief practice with it because it was actually very difficult to use. I found that you need a lot of practice to get used to writing with it. Sometimes when you've got a lot of applications open, it responds very slowly, maybe because it uses a lot of the processor. Also, I've attempted to record the camera at the same time while I'm actually writing, and it's virtually impossible to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make some webcam videos, explain things just face to face like that, and then do some coding in NetBeans. So there'll be like screen recording of NetBeans, typing code, running it, and so on. And there'll also be explanation in writing using the graphic tablet as well. So there'll be like 3 different videos, and then if you watch one of them and it's not quite clear, if you watch the second one and the third one, then it will start to sink in the concepts. I know programming is very daunting in the beginning. It's very difficult to grasp, especially if you haven't done any coding before. I found it difficult myself, and I still do. There's even after doing a master's in software engineering, I'm doing a second master's right now in advanced computer science. But I still, if I don't practice, I don't maintain the pace with the development, I'll fall back. So you need a bit of practice, and I also found by teaching other people the fundamentals of programming, it kind of like it reminds you, it kind of like refreshes your memory. So it is very useful to give back to society by trying to teach what you know. So if you know a little bit of, I don't know, graphics design, and you start creating videos to teach people how to do graphics design or to use a certain application like Autodesk or AutoCAD or whatever, it would actually help you as well. It helps you grow as a person. So I would highly recommend you also try to make videos. There's a lot of good channels on YouTube at the moment. I've learned a lot from them, and I hope I can do my little bit as well in teaching and contributing to the community. So look forward to some of the videos that will be coming out soon, and if you need some clarification, I'm more than happy to do extra videos to explain in more detail, perhaps a little bit slower if I was going a bit too fast in some lessons. Okay, so stay tuned, things will get much better. This is obviously another channel that I'm doing, another sort of activity that I'm participating in. Just behind me I've got the letters that I've printed out. I've spoken about it in a previous video for Utility Warehouse. I've also got about 600 catalogs coming in for Clean Easy, and I've got a number of other small activities happening online, and it's all kind of like encompassed into one activity, which is like my business goal in life or my financial goal in the next 90 days. So stay tuned, and you'll see how I progress with my business and my academic goals and health goals and so on. So it's a big holistic approach of a challenge, not just like a challenge in health, but challenge in everything. And hopefully as well the videos that I produce will be getting better and better, and the quality of the training will improve over time. Okay, so see you soon.